Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's video. Very special, and guys, it's another day which God have granted us, and guys, I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So on today's videos are very special. So I'm just within in my village here, and technically, guys, I'm update you new video today, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please, guys, subscribe on today's videos and check out Felicitas, guys. I really appreciate for the love and support. So I'm trying to push her in any way, so show her some love, guys. So on today's videos, guys, I'm going to have city talk with my African mom and to learn, learning experience every day, guys. So even me on today's videos, I'm learning a lot, guys, here and there. So maybe, guys, right now I don't want maybe to update you right now what is going on, but when I'm reach at home, you will see, guys. But technically, that's how my village looks like. Super green nature everywhere, and we thank God, guys. We thank God for this far. So I'm just over here with my baby, and I think my intro will maybe end within here. So for those who are new here, please welcome on this amazing platform. Subscribe to my channel and also positive vibe all the way. So guys, on today's videos, to be honest, I'm going to share you purely procedure how to cook chapati. So guys, I think you're ready for this. I know most of the people, we have different way how to make chapati, guys. Even me, I'm going to learn how my African mom making chapati. So it's been a while, guys, because I was going around making videos in the streets, coming back. I found food have already been prepared on the table waiting me, and my work like is to eat and go. But today I'm going to see what my mama could go and prepare, guys. I hope you enjoy the food to the end. So wow. This blue jacket. Okay, guys, okay. So wow, that's my bike, and I use it. It helped me to maneuver around, guys. I'm telling you, when I do like this, let me show you guys. Look, blue is color. Oh man, it's by God's grace. I have my own motorbike right here, and wow, which is a good thing. It helped me, guys, maneuver around, looking for the content, taking my young sister to school, and also my brother. At the time, I visited my brother in Rongo University. So that's my second brother. Actually, I'm the firstborn. So my second brother, I visited him. I shocked him with a new motorbike. I told him, you just going so hard. Maybe when God opened the door, you wanna defeated me. You wanna drive, spinning. Wow, everybody have its own dream. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and watch it to the end. So leave a sweet comment, subscribe there, guys. By subscribing me, you wanna make me to grow, guys, every day. So stay blessed. Well, guys, I'm taking you inside our small kitchen right now here, and I want to see what's supposed to prepare I and my African mom for the lunch. Oh, that's fire, guys, right there. Oh, guys, that's my African mom. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, guys. So yesterday I surprised my mama, and this flour, unga safi ngano Swan Company means flour, for making chapati. And right now, guys, we want to make chapati, guys, because the time is running, and to be specific, my young brother and sister, they will be just pull up here, guys. It's around let me check, guys. It's around 12:49 p.m. That's my local time here, and it's lunchtime, guys. I'm sure this video's noon time, So for those people who are they are new here, we want to show you how my African mom make chapati. Wow. So let me have a seat here as I watch, guys. You know, every day it's a learning lesson. Every day it's a learning lesson, you know. Every day it's a learning lesson, you know, guys. And thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, guys. Without you, I couldn't maybe today to eat chapati, you know. Wow. So mama, she have already boiled water right there. It's warm. There's the first procedure. You put flour right there. And guys, for this case, please follow this procedure. Maybe other people know how to cook chapati in different way, and maybe other people will cook chapati the same procedure. But actually, guys, me nothing to be hide at this moment. Follow this procedure. I'm gonna show you, guys. I'm gonna show you. Oh my god. Wow. And my sister love chapati a lot. You see? So you put like 1.5. I think so, guys. Wow. Nice. So you add sugar. Yeah, man, that's enough. Okay. You see, guys, that's sugar. And then you add salt. That's salt, man. Wow. Okay. Cooking oil. Like that. Wow. Even me, guys, at the same time I'm learning here, you know. Maybe in the future I could maybe start traveling, and then I want to eat chapati. I know how to cook. Wow. And then mix. Hey, mother to hello baby. Okay, guys. That's my mom's hairstyle. Very nice. Then that's warm water. Guys, it's lunch hour, so we just doing quick and fast. And technically, guys, you know, when we turn a new day, everybody went for some activities, so many activities. Like mama went to the farm, I went outside there hustling, and then coming back, you know, guys. Okay, please, guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So today I'm just live with my African mom in the kitchen. That's how our kitchen looks like. Very organized, you know. Okay. In this case, let me show you, guys. And guys, other word says, experience is the best teacher, you know. So here we are learning. I'm a student, you know, in terms of cooking chapati. I'm just a student and I'm learning. So my mama shows my teacher, guys, right now. Hey, mama ni kazi ngumu kumbe. Guys, it's tough work, like mixing, you know. Okay. Yeah. Guys, me, I'm learning. If I found food on the table which is ready, I know people sweat here. What's up? You good? Look at me, people are hard. Okay, guys. Wow. Guys, what do you think about on today's videos? You know, yeah, for me, I think it's been long without sitting with the mama in the kitchen, see how my mama cooking. You know, I'm trying to learn, guys. I'm trying to learn. And also, guys, also other people learning how to make chapati. You know, we make pancake in different way. Like for us, just how we make it. That's how we make it, man. And guys, to be honest, I think I never left each and everyone behind. You know, I show you how things is here. Oh, this is our small kitchen right now here. Okay. Oh, mom. This head there, chicken go. That's the pan. Right there. Okay, I need a spoon. Kikobwa. Okay, mama need a spoon. Grab the spoon. Scooping cooking oil like this. You put. Okay. Okay, guys, let's learn together. Okay, man. Little bit. That's a chopping board right here. Wow. Our hands are waiting right now here, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, let's learn together. Boom. And guys, I think I should help my mama, but let me go outside a little bit and then I'll come back to help my mom, guys. To roll chapati. Quick and fast, guys. Whoa. Okay, and then we put flour here. Oh. And then spinning. Guys, let me know in the comment section what's the difference between spinning and rolling. What mama she was doing, it's rolling or spinning? You know, like I'm spinning chapati, I'm rolling chapati. Guys, I want to understand it's correctly, guys. It's to roll chapati or spinning, you know? You know, other terms are very tough, like challengeable. Like last time I told you guys, like I asked my brother, what's the difference between borehole and well? And then maybe we learn some tips between borehole and well, because most of the people ask me, hello, that's a well. For me, since I was young, I know it's borehole. But literally, most of the people when watching my videos, they comment, hello baby, that's a well. Alright, no idea guys. Today my face is shining. Alright. Hey, it's already right now. Look. And the crazy thing guys about the fire is on. We light fire here. And then the hen are laying eggs right there. Right there. That's the hen. Let me go. You see? That's the hen. Okay, Mama, I'll come to help you.
Bye.
Yeah, guys, I'm telling Mama, I'll come to help you. Let me roll these videos going outside to make sure that everything just good and perfect, man. You know. Okay, guys. I get have some problem. Like pulling. This is what my body gets, like the local gates that we have. You want to go outside? Okay, go. What's up? Okay. Well, guys, today it's a kind of different time right now that I'm shooting these videos. So the time is running. Wow, right now it's 13:02. Say hello. Yeah, be careful. Vuka vizuri. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Umesoma?
Yeah.
Uko sawa?
Yeah.
That's my sister, and her name is Martha Nyabon. You know, he came in a good time. We start preparing chapati inside there. So let me take you around as we move and show you what's going on around here, guys. Wow, guys, I'm so grateful, more grateful, because guys, without you I couldn't maybe to be managed to reach this far that I am today, you know. All the way positive vibe win. So I think right now I was waiting my brother to arrive and then assist me to hold the camera, helping my mama to spin or rolling chapati, whichever the case other people are calling, you know. So guys, I was thinking tomorrow, like repainting here to remove the cobwebs. You see right here, the cobwebs right here, and then to repaint. You see there's some mark here. I don't know who like removing them. Then I want to do it again, guys. But everything just good and well organized here. You know, this is the structure that I was dreaming the year of 2024 last year, from January there, I think up to May, and then I start June. I think even June is the best time to start building and construction, because this structure I start in June and then I finish in December, because the lack of money here and there. But me, I just believe in God. You know, when you start, like when you think big about your dream, one day it will come to reality. So I was dreaming, you know. Go and watch my videos, guys, you know. And I know for the strongest subscriber who watch the videos every day, you know the history about this toilet. You know, we are struggling a lot. Like this moment when we didn't have this toilet, we could go maybe hiding to the maze, like this one here, some bushes there, because at a time other side of my grandma have the toilet. But I told you, my family somehow at large in number. Let me put this clear, guys. Population of my family, it's higher. Rather than using one toilet, it's like delicate. So I said, let me build this. And then when I finish this, guys, God opened the door. My uncle started the project. I push him, you know, in terms of materials, you know. Wow. Like, I want to move together as family. I don't want maybe to leave my family behind For example, hello baby, I'm going ahead, I left other people behind. No, no, no. We just squeeze, you know. Every day is a learning lesson, So guys, me, I'm just thinking, tomorrow, it's on Wednesday, I think Thursday, Friday, Saturday, there, I'm supposed to repaint, because when I left the paint inside the house, inside the store, the paint could be expired, you know. So rather than let me use them and then I finish everything. So on that day when I'm starting painting, I'll do this. I have a bag of the cement. You see, this is the foundation going deep, and then I'll put that concrete slab here, you know, until this place. You will see, guys, the video is coming. So this is all updation is to update you guys. So I'll do it up this side here, because that's a half a cement. I'll do this part because I don't want maybe my structure, all this toilet, to get some issues, you know, because we use a lot of money and it's expensive. Wow, guys. Okay, maybe for my premiere again you'll get these videos or not yet, you know. Today my day is 50-50, you'll get or not yet, but I'm trying my best you can get these videos, you know. So guys, maybe I'm not perfect, guys, enough to you, but I'm trying to push my dream outside here. Wow. If, guys, I could maybe bad person, I couldn't give Brother Dagi, how am I going to say this? I couldn't advise Brother Dagi, bro, start building the toilet, guys, because I know if you buy a land, for example, this land here that you see that having maize going up to that way, you're supposed to buy a land like this, you construct a toilet and a borehole, guys. And when my brother came from the abroad, and then we stayed like 1.5 months, I told him, bro, if you get money, please keep pushing. And he showed me some septic that he was digging, and then he left to abroad. And then when he came back, you know, there's some challenges here and there. I told him, bro, if you get money, please just keep pushing this septic or a twin here, all outside, outdoor toilet like this, you know. And then I told him, come out to my home, you know, look the plan for my toilet, and then you can build at your home there. And then, guys, me, I'm so grateful and congratulations to my brother Dagi. He was for my instruction, and right now he was building the toilet in the village. He finished up tiling, you know. And guys, thank you so much for those people that keep supporting us. Thank you a million times, you know. Exactly, this is my toilet, the way Brother Dagi building, you know. I was going there for several times. Also, he was tiling. Me, I'm so grateful. I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy, guys. If you think that I'm lying, let me stand here and you have a look, you know, between my toilet and Brother Dagi's toilet, you know. A little bit maybe different. Mine is 4 rooms, and for him it's 3 rooms. And then maybe different is this place here, decoration. This one that you see here, carved, come like that way, going. And then maybe for him, he didn't put this one because everybody have its own mind thoughts how to design, you know. But me, guys, to be honest, I swear in God, I'm the one who designed this toilet. And I told the mason, no, just do this like this. I want my toilet to be look this and this. Imagine if I could maybe have more tips. Let me see my mom's dream house, how it will come, guys. But I know it's tough. If you're watching my videos every day, if you have maybe a nice plan, please send to me like a picture, and then I'll see. I'll see, guys. I'll see. Imagine, I'm the one who designing this toilet like the way it is, and then my mason tried to challenge me. Oh, hello, baby. You know what? Want to block this? Mama have your side, and then you have like the two entry, our entry, and then another entry. I told him no, because this toilet I built around the boundary, so these trees act as a boundary here. You see, I'm standing going up to that way. So this side here, it's our share. So this side here, it's another people's share. So we don't want maybe to interfere. Like, oh, if I could build like an entrance here, it could maybe need this place up to here and then enter, because you're already entering to people's property. And then I said, no, just do it one after all, like cover this place and then go up there. And another way, we need privacy, so we use one entry. Wow, guys, let's go. I know most of the people, you are waiting this day to become, guys. I'm remaining with one, and some weeks ahead of me. Please bear with me. I'm waiting that maize to be harvested, and then I'll start preparation. You know, the month of June. The month of June, man, I want to start to prepare, you know, cutting down trees, split into timbers form, and then, you know, levelizing, and then we boom, guys. So guys, me, I'm just praying this board do not react the way it reacts again, guys, because right now I'm focusing to buy materials for my mom's dream house. I'm pray, guys. I'm pray, guys. And I saw in the comment section people comment on my yesterday videos. There's a nice jacket here and there. I love it, man. I love it because of the color. Even you can see handles like this one. You know, when I'm going to Nairobi one day or Mombasa, I'll put here and then I hold my camera. You know, this is my handle like that. No one who like rob my camera. Wow, guys, wow. Let's see this month, guys, whether I could buy the remaining blocks and then I use it. But before I go that way, let me go and check the cows, you know, how it's doing here and there, so on and so on. That's my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Nebi Prizeways Official. Okay, guys, I beg you, go on YouTube and check official. Go on YouTube, check me. Official, my name is Nebi Prizeways.
You don't say beg. You say, this is my humble request from me, and you can go subscribe. You know, you don't beg people. It's you to request, you know. Yes. So guys, I'm trying to correcting him. It's to request, guys, you know, subscribe, you know. You said to request.
Yes.
Next time when I give you a shout out, say I'm requesting you guys go and subscribe to my channel, right?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, guys, me, I understand. Sometimes as a human being, we want to make errors, we want to make a mistake. Like for my cousin here, he make a small mistake and I correct him. Okay, you good?
Yes, I'm good.
How was your school?
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And also viewers, watch my brother's video. Hello baby here. We know sometimes my brother support me by paying me a school fees.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
May I support him? I'm telling you guys, I support him. But for the haters around the village, treat me wrong, guys. You heard from my cousin, and I need them like to go ahead. Although right now he has a channel, and the channel is doing good in terms of subscriber. So I'm telling him during weekend, just push it, you know. If maybe by God's grace, when he succeeds to go in the secondary, they maybe during weekend or half term they will come back and push the videos like this and this. Okay, I wish you a nice day.
Oh, thank you. And also,
Okay, guys. That is my cousin. That is my cousin, guys. You heard from him? I support them. I support them, guys. Me, I'm not a bad guy, you know. But people treat me in bad way. Tarnish my name outside there with no reason. But I don't care, you know. Because me, what I think on my mind, other people don't, like around where I came from, didn't feel good when I'm progressing, like I'm prosper, guys. So I'm heading to check our cows right here. But guys, all the way positive vibe, you know. Win. Me, what I'm believing, if I'm doing positive videos, one day it will pay me off, you know. No time for the haters, guys, at this moment. Let me check this car. Let me check this car. But I love this cow. I don't know why. You good? Oh, guys, they are eating sweet potatoes vein. Oh. Enjoying, relaxing. Hey. Good, bro. Hey. Okay, guys. Let me check other one here. Let me check other one. Tunavona watch him. Where? I was with my brother on the other side. This one, it's already full. And soon, guys, it's gonna give our new baby. We enjoy. I removed the tick from that cow. You see right here. This is the tick that I'm removing from that cow. You know, and then I need to do like that. It's purely blood. It's a host, you know, in health, like, see, this is blood, guys. Soon, you wanna see my mom's beautiful cow delivering new baby calf. We have another one here which my mom milking even right now, just over here grazing, you know. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Although today the weather is not that much good, you can see how it's behaving. So we're struggling making these videos. If you see me clear, that's perfect. If you didn't see me clear, because of the weather condition, guys. I have another one here. They're doing good, you know. But one day I'll go and buy some spray, and then I'll come to spray the cow, like to wash them, you know. I don't want my mom's cow to be affected by tick. You know, it will cost some illness here and there. Okay, guys. Me, I'm so happy. Me, I'm so happy. Wow. Wow, guys. East to west, home is the best. You know? But I'm trying to run with the weather because it's behaving badly. Behaving bad. Have avocados right here. We're so blessed, man. We're so blessed. So blessed. Come on. Walk. Okay guys, sorry. I'm just going around, you know. You see? So I think guys this month maybe I will buy blocks or I'll buy some other materials because right now I'm remaining with how am I going to say, I'm remaining with 700, like one trip like this. We close the chapter because I want to start with 2000 blocks from now, and we see how those blocks can keep pushing, you know, keep pushing, you know. And the good thing about this block, guys, when it's heavy rain or not rain, it will survive. But a bricks, it's need you to buy a polythene paper, the big one, you covered and this, you know, taking care of them. But this one here, if I'm not ready now, it could stay here over 2 years. Trust me, over 2 years, guys. Because when I bought this from Nairobi, it's the rain affect them, you know, like the raining straight on top, you know. And wow, I think right now when it's raining and then falling on them, it make this block to be concrete. Guys, me, I didn't understand how the electrician guy could go and done some piping there, plumber, you know, because this block, it's somehow tough, you know. I'm trying to understand that. Like I'm questioning myself, you know. I'm questioning myself. Questioning myself. You see there's some stones here, you know, guys. Just okay. I supposed to add also 2 trips for the stones right there. So I'm telling you guys, let me see this month how it will take me, you know, how it will take me, because my family needed to eat, you know, my young brother and sister need to go to school. I pay them school fees, you know. I help my mom a lot. At the same time I balance the budget. So I'll see maybe this month, you know, I'm supposed to buy balance stones, you know, 1 lorry, and then also sand, 2 lorries, you know, for the starting, you know. I'm supposed to have cement, labor money. Man, it's a lot and a lot. What I'm add on you guys, please watch my videos till the end, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about on today's videos. But watching my videos, guys, I will never make you to, like, by watching my videos, I'll make you to be proud, guys. This is what I deserve here and there. At least at the end of the month, you see some progress here and there, right, left, center, you see that. Okay, guys, let's go and see my mama what's doing inside there. Guys, I see my brother from the other side. He came from school. Yeah, supposed to remove shoes, guys. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
The water is clean or not yet?
Let me try, don't know.
Yes, try it and then we see. So guys, when you have water around our home, it makes the work to be easy, you know. Yeah, you pull it slow. Like, don't do like boom. Wow. Let's see. Oh my god. But I think it will be okay. Gararevu, yeah? There's the cut of water. Because last week my borehole collapsed. Okay, you just do it. What again? Okay, fetch it. So my brother was testing, like returning them the container inside the water to test fine whether there is. Yeah, just okay. I agree. Okay, guys, I agree. Maybe 1 week later, the water will be clean like this one. You know, in the morning, my mama fetch water, it looks like this one, but for meanwhile, it's purely clean. Okay. That's my brother, guys. Yeah. At a time, it's good to show you my family, guys, you know. Like nothing to be hide behind. Wow. Hey, that's my sister washing clothes for the toy. Do you have to go and read it one? Yeah, guys, these clothes, I remember it's for the toy I bought for my sister. And mom, thank you so much for supporting my sister. Imagine, guys, I traveled from all the way from my village up to Kisi where I bought that bike. I bought the toy, guys, because I didn't find that toy in Migori. So I said, you know what, let me go to Kisi where I can find it. Yeah. This is my sister's toy. Shika vizuri. This is my sister's toy. So they tried to wash clothes. Oh, so you can put it like this. Wow. So guys, don't mean like I'm just crazy. There's a button here, and then you press it. Naona litoboa mdoli. Unaona vile kupatana mdoli wanatoboa? Njoo uone. Ba mole pole mbo mdoli. Unaona? Shika hivi. Umeona? Okay, guys, I'm just telling my sister, don't like take that toy to outside because we have some other kids that wanna like pull it, like pinch the toy here and there, right, left, center, and then at the end of the day, the toy brings problems. So let me go again inside to the kitchen. Hey, mama, I'm tired. I think, guys, sorry. Sorry for this, guys. I'm so tired. Maybe mama will help you next time.
Aye.
Yeah, guys. So sorry for this. So let me eat chapati and then we left because that's the best way. Yeah. This have already made me chapati, guys, right there. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, mama give me two chapati here, so she was continue, guys, cooking chapati right here. See, so let me go and eat, and then I think today on today's videos I'll take you outside a little bit. You know, that's how my house looks like. Okay, guys. Like that down here, you know, guys, this is my brother's room, you know. Also, this is my room. There's nothing to be hide, you see. Let me show you guys where, hello baby, I'm sleeping, guys, you know. Okay, you see, that's where I'm sleeping, guys. Right, that's mosquito nets, the bed, you know. We have the carpet down. Wow, well organized, guys. That's where I came from, guys. So let me have tea, and then as we move out. Wow. Guys, me, I'm so happy. I think this milk tea. I've already washed my hand, guys, in the kitchen. Although it's off camera. I know some people watch videos A to Z. A to Z. So guys, this is what I have here. Food on the table. And let me pray for the food. Amen, guys. Amen. Very soft, guys. Very, very soft. Very soft. Okay, guys, let me finish eating my food on the table. We shall meet outside, guys, so stay tuned. Guys, it's almost rain, but I'll take you to Border Town, guys. Okay, guys, I was checking the key. Let me take outside, guys. Whew. Okay, guys. So, guys, see you on the other side, right there. Oh, guys, I left home, so right now I'm heading this way. Looking for the content, guys. So let's go. Guys, my baby helped me to maneuver around, looking for the content. Let's go. Actually, guys, I'm going to see one of the guy who retouched my hair, and then we talk some issues, and I think that the best way I can take shelter. I'm telling you. Alright, guys, we're heading this way, and I was posting the videos because there's one of the truck, cutting across. So I'm supposed to go this way, and I see whether I can manage to reach in Border Town. I see how they're really behaving this side. So let's go there, guys. Normally my videos start from my home, Border Town, with new things. Let's go. This corner is very delicate. We have a sharp corner here. let's go. Guys, at this moment when I'm wearing the jacket, it's too cold here. Too cold. You know. Too cold. Too cold. It's because of the rain season. That's the shop right there. Wow guys, heading straight, purely green nature, green leaves, and guys, we thank God because we see green nature, green leaves everywhere, you know. Kids are going back. That's one. You see the kids have the handles like mine. Kiko wapi? Ah, hicho kimepasuka. They have handles like mine. Guys, let me greet my brother before I go this way because I see him around, you know. I see him around. Kasong! Kasong! Uko wapi? I wanna say hello to my brother. Yeah? Guys, everyone I watch the bike, it's raining. I don't know. I didn't understand. Guys, the dog is sleeping here, Simba. You good? Alright guys, so I'm just over here with who?
Yes, our good viewers.
Maybe this side, yes.
Wow. How are you? How are you guys? Welcome back again at Hello Baby YouTube channel once again. Right now we are coming live one-on-one from my home. This is Brother Doug home.
Yeah.
I want to take this opportunity to welcome you, all of you. Welcome at Brother Dougie home.
Yes, right here, guys.
Right here, this is my home. Hello Baby is a good brother on me. We are at home. And we are just sharing good ideas.
Yeah.
Like, you know, right now, Hero Baby is asking me, like, Brother Dougie, what is your next plan?
Yeah.
Because you can see our dream toilet.
Just
we
over
have
there.
really finished there. So we are in the point that we have to do something. You know, every single day, every single month, the way days they are going, we have to do something, you know. And my plan right now, I need to renovate this house. Because soon you are starting getting visitors from outside the country. So it's good when they're coming, they can get a good place to sleep. Yeah, so that's our next step that we are going to start very soon. Yeah, so it's about small problems that you are going to fix it, you know. Actually, guys, this is a village. This is Nyabohanse. And always our viewers, you are liking videos from Nyabohanse. We are appreciating for that. And I personally am a content creator. And I have a YouTube channel also. My YouTube channel name is Brother Dougie. You can go in YouTube channel, you can check me. Yeah, I was thinking, Hello Baby, to start making this fence to be clean. Because I can see, because
trimming?
Yeah, I need to trim it because right now I can see, because we are having a lot of rain in the village, so they are growing faster, very quick. You know, so it's good when we are trimming, and then our compound it can look very nice. You know, yeah. So like outside here, you can see, like, come and show you.
Yeah.
You can see
Outside or inside?
changing. Outside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, things they are really changing, man. Like the maize they are growing in the village.
Oh.
Yeah.
Even I can't remember last day to go outside there.
So this is the remaining bricks, and I can see there is a lot of water coming from there.
Okay.
It means,
Why don't you put on the balance on top?
you know, I want to build a very big pillar there so that we can put the tank upside. You know,
Yeah.
these toilets, we have to use flushing water inside. So
Okay.
it's good when I build there one pillar by using these barracks. You know, it's having some work.
Yeah, I know.
And then from there,
Okay.
maybe we can be able to start flushing from inside, you know. So we have a very big plan, but it's about doing slowly, you know.
Okay, what I'm trying to argue, like to add on you, if maybe you have 1 cement or 2 cement,
Yeah.
just use this sand doing rough cast.
From outside.
Yes,
Yeah.
finish that toilet and then maybe move to the next project.
Yeah,
You know, you make sure that your toilet have been already completed. You paint the door, fisher board, and then you put that pillar you want to put on top a tank.
Yeah.
Finish first the toilet and then you squeeze. Like, don't be here on the toilet. You're on the other side, you know.
Yeah,
Things will
it's
be
true.
get complicated.
Yeah, actually.
Finish one thing and then you move to another thing.
That's a good
Yes,
advice.
wagwan, guys.
Yeah, so we are here at home in the village, guys.
Okay,
Outside
guys.
here. You can see maize, they are really growing.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Have a look, man.
Yeah.
So like things they are really changing.
Yeah.
And this is the backside at my fence
Okay,
here.
okay.
You know, it's looking
Very
so
nice.
amazing, very
Yes.
nice. And this is my neighbor.
Okay.
But this is the gate that
Other
goes
side.
at
Yeah,
my neighbor
yeah.
home.
This is the
Yeah.
gate right here, guys.
You know, so that is how things really happening in the village. But we are trying. But we are trying to make things to happen in the village.
Okay.
Actually, you know, I myself I like to live in the village because
Yeah, we have
we have
organic
something
avocado.
like avocado here.
Yeah, let me show you guys.
You know,
You see right here, there's avocado fruits. You know, purely organic.
purely organic, man.
Yeah.
But still, we are working on it to change things in the village because we need our village to look in a high level because through us
Yes.
we can make it. And because we are farmers, this is the place
Yeah,
where we are.
guys, this is the maize corn.
This is the maize
I'm
corn,
telling you.
you know.
I can't wait also to roast the maize. You know, roasted maize, I think it's not ready. Don't disturb them. It's not ready. You're not needed to kumemea too.
I can see here one maize.
Which one?
It's ready. This one.
When it's ready,
It's
take
ready,
it.
man. Have a look.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's ready, man. You have seen
take it right here.
Try
Have a
here.
look.
That's about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
It tells you
Like
we chase anger.
we chase anger.
Yeah, we chase
Yeah.
anger.
No poverty in the village.
Yes, we have maize, man. We have
We
banana.
have banana. A lot of things. Like, man, we are blessed. We are blessed.
If we can feel hungry, I could go on the bush, eating guavas, coming back, drinking water. Man,
Man,
we're so blessed.
You know,
Yes.
so blessed, man. Wow. This is how we are looking. And we are going at my mom's home.
Yes, right here.
Right here.
Okay.
I need to see if my mom, she's around.
Yeah, guys, I love pumpkin leaves a lot. It's a nice veggies, I'm telling you.
It's a nice gadget, man.
Beautiful
What
flowers
you can do, man.
right here.
Yeah.
Hey,
Like in the village, man, things is changing.
okay.
Things is really changing.
Okay, guys.
You know? Yeah, we are outside. Mama!
Yeah, we wanna greet
Mama!
his mom. Kuna mtu.
Wameenda wapi? Hey, my sister Regina
Hodi.
is around.
Howdy. As we do hold. Must knock.
Hello, baby.
Hey,
Hi.
hi.
Guys, welcome at my mom's home. And my sister Regina, she's here.
I'm around.
You know, she's from school.
Yes.
They just sent him back at home because of the school fees. How much right now the school fees? It's the
Yes, school fees, remedial, remove from copying papers, things
and
like that.
every term You have to pay money.
Yes, you have
Because
to
I
pay
remember
money.
last time we paid all of the money.
Even me, I think in the morning, my brother and sister were being sent. Me, I think these teachers, they were been sitting down and then organize a day to be sent away to kids. Oh,
So like guys, my sister, she's at home right now because of the school fees. But she told me like they need 15,000 Kenyan shillings. That's around $150.
yes, $150.
Yeah, $150.
Okay.
And let's pray. We see if God will open the way.
Okay, you just pray
So that
things
my
will be
sister
sorted
can go
out.
back.
Hello,
Yes.
baby.
You
Welcome
pray.
now.
Yeah, talk to the people.
Otoya tu bukima.
Abukima saa siko saa 9.
Kanisa society.
I'm trying to tell Hello, baby, there's no food inside here. Time is it is
It's around 2:36.
2:36. Time has gone, yeah. So that
Wow,
is
we
it,
have for
Hello,
the
baby.
local, maybe.
I'm washing
Intruder
the
like us and your brother.
Intruders have to you put an appointment that
Okay.
at this time I'll be at your home, yeah.
Okay, guys, sorry. I'm just full. I take chapati, guys. Yeah, me nimekula chapati.
Yeah.
Yeah, me.
Hapo tu ni masebo.
Masema ni tamu.
Yeah, so everybody,
Kasongo, me, I'm
welcome
tired.
home. Guys, we are at my mom's home
Yes.
actually right now. And we are here.
Okay.
We are here. My mom, she's not around.
Yeah.
So we are here with the hero baby.
Okay.
And we thank God for the gift of life until this place where we have reached. So watch the
I'm tired
video.
like a goat.
Yeah. I know somehow only sometimes when you are tired,
Yeah.
it's hard. But be strong, man.
Yeah, me, I'm always strong
Yeah.
and I'm keep grinding.
Wow.
Yes.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay, guys, go check me out, Brother Daggy. Support me also, guys. Show me some love. That's what I can request from you.
Yeah.
And then be positive, work hard, and every single day, thank God, because without God, what we are having right now in this world, like imagine you are breathing, you know, you are not sick. Thank God, man. There is some people suffering. They are in the hospital, but for us here, we are in life. We are living. Man, it's good when we are thanking God, and also we are appreciating for you, our viewers, by supporting us, showing us some love. God bless you. Also, you are an amazing person, and you deserve to be appreciated.
Yeah.
You know. So stay tuned, support,
yes.
and then we love you.
Guys, more amazing videos coming from here. So let's do this. We shall meet in Border Town.
Wow.
Okay, guys. I left my brother Daggy. So right now I'm heading to Border Town. So I'm going to visit the guy who make my hair. You know. Let's go. I hope right now the cloud is super clear, because after a few minutes back it's gonna start raining. Wow. So guys, that's the church right there. Wow. Let's go, guys. Go to town. Okay. Guys, subscribe to my channel, and also guys, check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. Show her some love, guys. You know? Show her some love. Show her some love. Show her some love, guys. There's a mark going right there. Bob? Heading straight. I see some excavator right there, pushing the rubbish, you know. Okay, guys, let's go. Sometimes, guys, I scared to shoot my videos where it's too sunny. Okay. Well done. Let's move. Subscribe to my channel, and right here, that's my Roman Catholic Church. Wow, up to border town. I think today, guys, I'll end my videos there. You see the blogs, it tells you people have dream to build, you know. Wow. That's Bora Town. I love that view, guys, on that side. I'm telling you. For sure, that view is amazing, man. I feel like if somebody could maybe select this spot here to have a nice view. Oh! Okay. Let's go. No idea. That's Honda A. Yeah, guys, this is a business center right now. Okay, guys, I don't wanna jump because also this is a Shell V Power. We have the restaurant right there. Right there, we have the restaurant, guys. I'm telling you. So we go and visit him again. Wow. What a town for you. Let's go. Here you must be very careful because people drive roughly. You know, guys, you know what I mean? People drive roughly, so you wanna be very careful. You wanna be very careful, very careful, very careful. Yeah. At that time, I'm gonna pass this way, that track right here. Whoa. Okay, heading straight. Okay, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Mbona unajichoma hapo? Mbona unajichoma? Sikia huyo. Mamba amechemka. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Ina rekodi. Ina rekodi. Say hello.
Hello. Yes.
You good?
Yes,
You good? You good?
Yes.
Okay guys, me I'm just passing here and then I said today, you know, I wanna say hello to them. Haya, wewe uterea jua. Hii game yenu hii. Mr. Suna yuko wapi? Mimi natembea na kamera.
Mr. Suna leo hayuko.
Hello guys.
Cheza haraka wewe mtoto.
Bana subscribers zangu zimekataa kuenda.
Serious kulipata.
Ulipea wa 9.
Ulipata kidogo. Introduce me, I'm just going.
Okay, I've changed my name again.
Masai girl.
I'm Masai girl.
Change again.
Yes,
Masai
but
girl.
it's not long since I changed that name. No.
Okay.
Yes, but I have a very interesting episodes in my video.
Okay.
I made a playlist. If you want to go and watch my all videos, they are there.
Okay.
Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe to this Masai girl. Support him to reach 1,000 subscribers.
Only guys 1,000 subscribers.
Nani amenipiga?
Aya. Na wewe.
Hello guys, my YouTube channel is called Frank Art. Please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are here with Hello Baby. Subscribe to Hello Baby's channel. And we are here with Masai girl.
Yes. Just keep pushing.
Yes,
Pushing. Yes, guys.
We are trying.
Yes.
We are trying.
The day is coming.
A day is coming. We'll reach 1,000 subscribers.
Simame sukuma.
Sasa niko 73.
Hey.
Siko vibaya. Naenda.
Hii ndo naenda kuweka kwangu.
Sio yake kosa. Okay guys, me I wanna end my video here by saying, hey, look that. Something else guys. Me I wanna end my video here by saying thank you so much for the love and support, and I really appreciate. So guys, remember to subscribe to Felicitas on YouTube channel guys. Take her to 1,000 and then to 5,000, 10,000 like that guys, as we keep pushing. And right now I'm in Border Town guys. You see the road is passing, like it's not my normal videos shooting at my home. Goats are grazing here, you know. So guys, much greeting from here. We shall meet on the next video guys. Bye.